I just got some food. McDonald's there. Cheeseburger and chips. Hi guys, so today I'm going to be going out with my friends, gonna do some shopping and get some food. So I'll catch you guys when I'm out. So I'm just on my way to town now and it's freezing, it's proper cold. The sky is clear but it's cold. So there's some road work going on here. They put them with the traffic lights on, and that's Broadway City Centre. It's a headache, man. Do a lot of road work. You have to go all around and maybe you can go from here. It's quite cold, winter's coming up. I just got some food. McDonald's there. Cheeseburger and chips. So they're selling phones here and iPads. Got Samsung phones there. Sell AirPods as well. Got iPhones there as well. We've got Samsung S22 Ultra there. The latest version is the S23, so it's close to that. Got iPhones as well. There's so many phone shops around here. So there goes some Black Friday sale here. Come down at JD's. So the shoes here, got Vapor Maxes, we got 270s, 97s, and we got Air Max 90s as well. Got some nice 97s there as well. Black Friday Mat next. Got some nice jackets and that. Got some nice jackets. It's winter time as well. They got hoodies, keep you nice and warm. Just got the bus, so it's quite busy. I hope you guys liked the video. So I just got home and it was freezing, a proper cold, winter's coming up. So yeah guys, I hope you liked the video. Please like, comment and subscribe.